This is my lightning base replacement that was received January 16th. It is also not working as the previous one was. This is the original atomizer that came with my previous Peak. This is a tight squeeze, but you get it down in there, you feel it click. Definitely screwed in tight. Freshly turned on. It was green the last time. Battery is yellow. We will be aiming for a green temperature. And rainbows. Shut it off. This was used recently in another Peak. It's known to be good. It was sent as a replacement.
The cup's dirty, but it's a different cup.
Again, aiming for green temperature. There's the rainbow again.
Broken product.
It's never worked right.
Fresh out of the box.